This episode of On Patrol is one of my favorites. I get the chance to really be helpful by directing traffic on the property after a minor non injury accident. For 17 minutes, but I won't show all of it, don't worry, I managed traffic flow on the Northwest Drive before police arrived.
Security, Syborg.
Slow down. You got mechanical issues with the truck? Is the semi truck got mechanical issues, or what's going on? He hit you?
He starts up short. You run into my trailer.
You got police coming?
Yeah, my wife is calling me.
Okay. Terrific.
How do you get this truck fixed? Damn it.
Oh, jeez, wow. Okay.
My wife. He had no reason. How do you expect to get in here?
I don't know. It's not a good way to come in, that's for sure. I'm going to get out of the mess here, and the police will be on their way shortly, so. Everybody. Andrea, my name's Ed Scott. We got looks like a non-injury collision here on the northwest branch from the semi and a pickup had a minor collision. I'm directing traffic here because we're kind of backed up here. Yeah. Not that I heard to be reported. I talked with the driver of the pickup, and the woman did. I overheard her say that she felt sick, but she wanted to ride to the restroom. I couldn't help her with that, but not that I'm aware of. My name is Ed. First name is E.D. Last name is Scott. S-C-O-C-T. Sure. Let me check.
Please sign into your vehicle before driving.
Spot. Gotcha. You want me to stay
Please
here?
sign into your vehicle before driving.
Gotcha. All right. Thank you.
Please sign into your vehicle before driving.
1357. I see you. Stop. 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 Something. Yep. Off indeed.
Please sign into your vehicle before driving.